Welcome to Poseidon Tech. If you are in the market for a smart robot vacuum with small size that can fit everywhere and has some basic mopping capabilities, then probably we have the best option for you. But let's take the things from the start. Today we have for testing the SwitchBot K10 Pro, the newest and upgraded model compared to the previous K10 Plus. Inside the box you can find the user manual, the actual robot vacuum, which as you can see is very small, meaning that can fit in any tight space, some additional user manual, two brushes, and of course the base station. Inside the base, apart from the already installed bag, there are also an additional filter, a second dust bag, and some wet wipes for mopping. In the base, you can also find this small brush for cleaning the vacuum and the plate for installing the mopping wet wipes. The only thing in order to prepare the vacuum for some action is to install the brush like this. Also, the main cleaning wheel in the K10 Pro is made of rubber and can be cleaned by removing this cover. Next step is to put the base and the vacuum in place. As you can see, is really small. Now, once we have added the vacuum to the SwitchBot app, it's time to create a map of the area. For that, the vacuum will go through the entire place and it will create a map where at the end will split also in rooms. Now you can merge, split, or rename the rooms later on the app based on your needs. One great feature is that you can create and later use several area maps and select which one fits better in your needs. Under the device settings, you can configure the vacuum mode, set up Do Not Disturb time, since emptying the bin is really loud, as we will hear later, configure the sound volume, and some dust collection related settings. Also some options to restart or reconnect device, as well as the known SwitchBot settings for cloud services, NFC and firmware version. In the main page under More, apart from the options related to maps, you can create schedules, see some cleaning reports per week and per month, also you can download and use different voice packages for the vacuum, remote control is another option the K10 Pro provides, where you can navigate the vacuum to a specific point via the app. Finally, the accessories usage life is reported here, where you can find some cleaning instructions and reset the values. The option to switch between vacuum and mop mode is in the main page of the app. If you select to mop, you need to get the relevant accessory from the base and use a wet wipe to cover the plate. Then the plate needs to be installed in the bottom side of the vacuum, like this. One of the biggest advantages of the SwitchBot K10 Pro is the fact that due to its small size it can fit in any space. This robot vacuum had no problem cleaning under this table and chairs, where for other bigger vacuums is nightmare. Also, you have the option to monitor in real time where the vacuum is using the app. The ability to clean so effective in corners and small spaces is the big advantage of SwitchBot K10 Pro. The suction power is more than enough for some regular dirt or dog fur. Even some big chunks of popcorn was not an issue. Mopping does not provide any exceptional results as it is expected, but it managed to do some basic job. Also, you can select if the vacuum will clean one or more rooms, the whole house, or a specific area via the app, and of course configure no go and no mop zone. One thing that surprised me positive is the fact that in all cases the vacuum fights the base station with no problem. Also, please have in mind that when emptying the dustbin is very loud, so you may need to configure some do not disturb time periods. Overall, this is a great product from SwitchBot, which managed to do great job mostly on tight spaces and corner and has some improvements over the regular K10 Plus vacuum. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.